Back to Product Zone. After 1 week using this weed puller by Grootpow, it's 40-inch in height. It's a lightweight cast iron, really good lightweight quality, good rubber waterproof handle, really nice strong material. You got the 3 claws and a foot that you're gonna step on. This thing is lightweight. Some of them are heavier, but this one is really light. You can see right here, and it does a pretty good job to get the weed. Listen, no bending down. No knee problem, no back problem, no stress. Pump action, look. See that? Easy. They made this thing really well. So open up. So it close, open up. So it pushes the weed. So you see that right there? That bottom piece right there will force the weed right out to the tips. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do is put this over, put the 3 over your whatever crabgrass and stuff, and then step on it like that. See that? That's how it is. Back to show you guys, that's how it looks right there. It does not damage the grass. It just press it down on one seating. So what you're gonna do, grab the handle. The handle is very comfortable right there, good grip, and you could see it's tilting back, and then you pulled it upward like this. Do this for bigger weed. For smaller weeds, you don't need to do this. Look, came right out. Now it leave a little hole, but just patch it back. That's why, like, smaller weed like this, I would not recommend it to do smaller weed, but you could see it completely pull out the whole root. So use this on bigger weed like dandelion, crabgrass, or whatever. And what you could do, look, get back the dirt right there, and later on when you reseed, you put a couple seed in there, and that's it. All the weeds are gone. Found the crabgrass looking right, like 2 of them combined, so it's gonna be much harder, but we're gonna put this in the middle, right? Just pop it in the middle, press on it, goes down really easy, and all you do is tilt it up like this. Wow, look at that, go on. And then we got another crabgrass we're gonna pull out by the root. Crabgrass will never grow back in that spot. Well, it works really good. It's 40-inch in height. It's like a lighter cast iron, really outstanding material, really good quality. It pulls out the crabgrass by the root, dandelion by the root. You don't need this for small weeds. Just use this for bigger weeds like crabgrass and dandelions and stuff. It works really well.